everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to search product on Alibaba using image. This is very easy, let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open your Alibaba app and tap on this camera icon at the top left at the top right corner. When you click on this camera icon, here you can see your camera will be open, and here you have to select any product which you want to search. In this way, you can search a product on Alibaba. Second option is you have to tap on My Alibaba at the right bottom. After that, here you have to scroll down, and here you will see an option. Here you will see an option search by image. You will see an option search by tap on it. In this way, you can also search your product using image. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.